Dell Monitor Factory Reset Tutorial. Quick and Easy Steps. Method 1. Using the on-screen display, OSD. Step 1. Turn on your monitor and connect the video cable. HDMI, DP. Make sure you see the OSD menu. Step 2. Press the menu button or joystick to open OSD. Step 3. Navigate to Others or Other Settings. Step 4. Highlight Factory Reset and select it. Step 5. Confirm the reset when prompted, e.g., press menu. Joystick. Method 2. Hard Power Cycle Reset. Step 1. Turn off your PC and monitor. Step 2. Unplug all cables from the monitor, power video. Step 3. Press and hold the monitor's power button for 15 seconds. Step 4. Plug back in power and one video cable. Step 5. Turn the monitor on first, then your PC. Method 3. Using Dell softMCCS software. Windows. Step 1. On Windows, download and install softMCCS from Dell support. Step 2. Open softMCCS and select your monitor. Step 3. Under Preset Operations, click the green arrow next to Restore Factory Defaults. Step 4. Optional, also reset color, geometry, and luminance. Step 5. Apply changes and close the program.